Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Blondie. Today I'm going to be making chilaquiles. So to get started, I'm going to show you how I cut the tortillas. So I cut them once, and then twice, and then again, this way, and like this. So you just want them to basically look like tortilla chips. So what I do is I cut about a sleeve of them that comes in the package, and then I like to put them in the oven like overnight or even up to like 2 days. So then they just start curling up at the edges, and they actually cook like way faster than if you just do them like this. So that's what I do. So just cut them up like this, put them overnight in the oven or your microwave, like cover them up so nothing can get on them, and then they'll dry out and they just cook way faster. So I'll show you. And oops, I'm gonna go ahead and throw these in the oil so these can start crisping up. And this is how you make tortilla chips as well. You want to do it yourself, and then just add some salt at the end. And then right here I have my pan heating up. I'm going to add some cooking spray like that, and then I'm going to add 2 eggs. So I always like to serve it with a side of eggs over easy. And I'm just going to add some salt and some pepper, and just let that start cooking down, or cooking through rather. Okay, and then for our sauce, we're going to make a delicious sauce for this. I have boiled some Roma tomatoes. So I believe there's like about 7 Roma tomatoes, and I also added 2 serrano peppers, but you can adjust that to your spiciness level, like whatever you prefer. So you could always customize it. So I like to make a lot of sauce because I just love the sauce. So I had a lot more water, but it evaporated. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is grab some more water. Actually, in the meantime, my eggs are cooking. They're almost ready to flip, so I got to work fast here. So let me go ahead. And separate them. Oh, these are not my best eggs. Okay, so now I'm just going to turn off the flame because I want them a little runny. So I'm just going to let them sit there and finish cooking. And then my chips are starting to burn. Oh well, I won't even use these chips. I just wanted to show you what I do. Okay. So now, back to our sauce. So like I said, I like a lot of sauce. So I'm going to add some more water. Actually, I'm going to get some even more water. I want a little bit more water than this. So like that, and then to this, I'm going to add a 1/4 piece of a white onion, 2 garlic cloves. They got broken up, so it looks like more pieces, but it's really just 2. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab my chicken bouillon, and I'm going to go ahead and start off with about 3 spoons like that. I'm gonna put my lid on and I'm gonna blend this until it's a smooth sauce. Okay, now I'm gonna taste it. It just needs a little bit more. So I'm gonna add that much more. And that will be perfect. Okay, so next, what I'm gonna do, I have my pan heating up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some cooking spray like that. And then I'm just gonna put a drop of oil like that. And now we are ready to add our chips. I forgot to mention, after I fry them, I always put them on a paper towel so that they can drain any excess oil. So I'll move them around like that. And then I prefer mine like soft or soggy compared to like hard tortilla chips, but I've had them at restaurants where they made them just like tortilla chips with the sauce over them, and I didn't like them at all. I like them like this. Oh, and then at the end, I'm gonna add this epazote. So this is like an herb, and it gives like an added flavor. It's delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead, and I can't always find this at the store, but this week I was able to. So right now I'm just gonna run it under some cold water to rinse it. You just wanna rinse it off. It kind of looks like wilted a little bit now, but that's fine. So now what I'm going to do is just pour our sauce over it and try to coat it. I swear, no matter what, I always want more sauce, but I can never seem to get enough sauce, so I'd rather have more sauce than less sauce. So your goal is you just want to drench it, and then I'm going to turn up the flame a little bit. It's already kind of sauteing, like sizzling, I hear it. So it's going to be ready to go. And now all I'm going to do, I'm going to pull this apart and just add this in. I should have got 2 packages because this doesn't seem like enough to me. I like a lot of it. So basically now you can see it bubbling right here. So now what I'm going to do is put the lid on. I'm going to put it on low, and I'm going to let it simmer about 10 minutes. And then I'm just going to leave the lid on and just let it rest like another 10 minutes, and then it'll be ready to serve along with my eggs. So this is like a very delicious oh, here's another piece. This is a very delicious fattening dish. So if you're on a diet, just have a little bit of it. I just have a little bit of it every once in a while, but it is really fattening and flavorful and delicious. Okay, you guys, and I will go ahead and put all of the ingredients and measurements down below in the description box. Thank you for watching.